Okay, recording this 9/9, September 9th today, day of the day trading interview. Just going to kind of go over pre-market watch list, how we build a pre-market watch list that's usually kind of based off of today's stocks, just to show you, how we do it day by day. Okay, so these scanners here, these are all different scanners. This is a live news scanner. So I picked stocks that have spiked up and retraced. So we have here, this was after hours yesterday, it spiked up from around $7 up to around $9.25. Now I look for it to, when it pulls back, that it doesn't pass around here 61%, 50% retracement, and that's usually off the watch list. If it stays above this and before market, if it forms some channel, then I kind of set an indicator. So this is where it's bounced off here so far, 806. If this breaks, then I would probably just take it off my watch list or see if it forms another channel. But it's bounced off of 86 and 860 it hit resistance. So I would add CRDF. So I'll put 845. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Let's see. Top gainers. Let's see, CLEU. So this one's a little rough because kind of missed this one. Okay, so I'll do a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so this one spiked, and if it falls below here, I'm out. I'm not even gonna look at it anymore. Next one. Let's see this one. Okay, so this one's kind of already moving up pre-market. So usually when these move up like this, they move up and then they sell off. So the market's open already. Okay, so now I'll use a breakout scanner. RKLB, Rocket Lab. It's a new IPO. If it breaks below 695, it's going to sell off, and people probably enter if it breaks a high here. It's got to break 1745. So 1745, it should break out, and VWAP's been holding. If this VWAP, if it doesn't hold, it's going to break down. Got in with 100 shares just to kind of show you have a plan. If it breaks below the VWAP, take your loss, and it's like an all-time high, so there's no historical data of how high the next resistance is. If it breaks below 1699, take a small loss and kind of see where momentum takes us. There's some volume coming in. Tested the VWAP again. Got some volume coming in. Not as much as in here, but some volume. Okay, all right, so it broke. Let me sell 100 shares. Yeah, I got 100 shares left. Sold 25 using my hotkeys. I'm all out. Okay, so this was just a quick example. This is just the one trade I did. Made $65 where I just bought 200 shares. That's it. So bought 200 shares. I was risking 20 cents. I was risking $40. I'm sure it's got potential to keep going, but I just wanted to make a quick short video on the potential of day trade. I know you guys talked about trying to go for a 1% a day. Well, usually I would take 500 shares or 1,000 shares. So bought 100 shares, 1724 and 1707, and I sold at 1759. And I sold at 1750 and 1743 and 1735. Made about 30 cents. 1,000 shares, that's $100, and it's still going up. But I just wanted to do a quick short trade just to show you day trading. It's still going up. But this is the stock that I chose though. So I had a watch list. Let's see how the watch list did. So bounced off of this. So this is another potential. You see it bounce 4 times. This was another potential. I think it's still going. Gonna hit 18. And this one, this is the one we looked at, and I said that it spiked pre-market and then it's probably gonna sell off, and it did sell off. So I used the breakout scanner. Saw a stock that kept popping up, looked at the stock, looked at it, kept bouncing off the VWAP. See it bounced off the VWAP. So my exit strategy was the VWAP, and I was just looking for a small breakup, small climb up, and we made about 30 cents. So a usual position, I usually take 1,000, 2,000 shares, and this would have, oh wow, look at this. It's still going. But you see how we chose the right stock. We had a plan pre-market, and we chose the right stock. Still going. And this is not a coincidence. Okay, so that was day trading.